I only have the bass and the chorus and the first pre-chorus. Otherwise, I don't have any bass in my track, which is kind of abnormal, but I feel like it helped with the dreamy element of the track, except for the choruses. I still wanted the choruses to kind of be big and exciting and have lots of energy. So it's kind of a mix of dream wave and dream pop maybe. And so here is the bass. So you can see the cutoff is being automated here. And by the way, I have another tutorial that walks through how to create a running bass. I'll have that linked in the description below. Or you can also grab my free Synthwave sound design cookbook, which has a bunch of different sound design recipes for creating synthwave sounds. Again, that is included in the sample pack that I mentioned earlier. So got the running bass here, but on its own, it sounds a little bland. So this is here with no plugins. So the major element that is adding that grittiness to the bass is this free Szechuan saturator. And this is really nice. It's really simple, but it can really add a really good, nice grittiness to your sound. So this is it without and with it in. Just turn the output gain down. So that's really nice. I've got a little bit of EQ here, just taking out some of the boxy muddiness and trying to help those highs cut through a little bit more. I got a little bit of compression. And then one final thing we can do is we can add some chorus to this if we want to make the bass sound really wide and really retro. So without it in, this is how the bass sounds. So it's kind of up to you if you want to include that or not. I'm going to go ahead and include it here. So that sounds nice. And then for the actual notes I'm playing here on the bass, I'm just following the root notes of the chords, which we will get to next. I just have this one EQ on here for the bass bus, but I only have one bass at a time, so I didn't really need this. I could have put it individually on each of these, but just decided to put it on the bus here to try to, the bass is the really far low end is being boosted, and I'm also kind of boosting some of these high mids here to help the bass cut through. If you found this video helpful, be sure to use whatever special powers you have to hit that like button like you're ET trying to phone home. And if you want more help creating synthwave music, then be sure to click the video playing in a box on the screen right now, as that is my full in-depth tutorial on creating a synthwave song from start to finish. With that, have an awesome day and keep creating.